Hi. Hi, thank you guys so much for coming. I'm really excited to be here tonight and partnering with Pronovias in general because this collection, as you're going to see, it's really amazing. I think from their background in bridal, they've managed to step into this incredibly new, bold, modern, feminine place that this whole collection, I'm just looking at like who's in the audience, and it's different kinds of women, different shapes, different colors, different sizes, and like all of the pieces in this collection, I feel like they're very, very versatile. I can see some of the details. One of the things I love about this, it's like a take on a basic shift dress, right? But it has these crystal details that, I don't know, they work from day to night. They kind of translate that story in an elevated way. And with this entire collection, to me, it's very evocative. It has this ease, but also this crisp, like, togetherness that that's the kind of message I would want to embody. And, you know, you don't have to rent something necessarily for the occasion. Like, especially, I mean, I love this color, but in black and red, it's just gonna always look so cool and easy and classic. And I don't know, that's the kind of woman I think most people want to be, those points. And okay, and our next look, oh, she's cool, I like this. This is one of my favorite dresses. So this is obviously very evening. I'm gonna take your jacket. It's always good to have a smoking jacket in your wardrobe if it's chilly outside or you just wanna look incredibly cool. Like, look at this fabric. It's so, like, first of all, it looks great on you specifically, but wrinkling and fussy fabric is such a pain in the butt, and as much ease as a wardrobe can afford you, like, that's, you know, great for everybody in here. But one thing I was really excited about in this collection was, everybody knows those bridal buttons that you need like 10 servants to put on your dress, right? But they're so beautiful, and they always make a look, and they kind of did a little riff on that in a few of these dresses, which was really, really gorgeous. And the other thing, price point wise, for what you're looking at with this brand, I actually was shocked at it. It's really fantastic. And my point is that, like, at dresses that are at this particular price point, finding this kind of tailoring and like this attention to the cut and the shape of things, it's not easy to do. So kind of great to know. This is one of my favorite dresses. I feel like this one, I'm going to take this hair from you because nobody wants that. You can do a spin so we can see your back. This also has those bridal buttons, which I think is so pretty. And I can see this on a woman of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like, it really is very versatile that way. And this blush color is so pretty. They also did these, you know, the button details on the arm too, which is really pretty. Love this one so much. We need to see the back because it's really pretty. Gorgeous. Love this look. Lady in red. Super fun. The hem on this is extraordinary. When you move, it just like... And I liked... This one for sure is evening, but I was kind of thinking, like, it has a certain ease about it. I'm not saying you would go, like, do your grocery shopping in this dress or anything.